Do you suffer from extremely oily skin? Do you get often acne breakouts? Does your face feel oily and greasy throughout the day? Then you're at the right place because today I'm going to teach you how to take care of your oily skin with Korean products so that not only you can control your acne and breakouts, but also you get glowy skin instead of greasy skin. I'll share step-by-step guidelines with product recommendation. So let the quiz begin. Do you know the secret to reducing acne and achieving healthy skin? It's all about maintaining oil and water balance. Oil sebum actually serves very useful purposes for your skin. The sebum acts as a natural moisturizer, protecting our skin barrier from outside aggression. The problem with oily skin is that it produces too much oil while lacking in water. Your skin needs hydration, aka water, and sebum, aka oil, to maintain a healthy functional barrier. A well-balanced skin feels hydrated but not greasy, looks radiant and smooth with minimal breakouts, heals faster from acne and irritation. What happens when this balance is disrupted? When there's too much oil or not enough hydration, your skin may produce excess sebum, leading to clogged pores and acne, become dehydrated, causing sensitivity and redness, develop blackheads, whiteheads, or persistent breakouts. What can throw this balance off? Hot, humid weather triggers oil production and makes skin greasy. On the other hand, cold, dry climates strip your skin of hydration. Puberty, menstruation, pregnancy, and stress can all disrupt sebum production. Dehydration from not drinking enough water or consuming too much caffeine or sugar, high-fat, dairy-rich, or sugary foods can increase oil production. Over-exfoliation or using too many active products can damage your skin barrier. Using the wrong moisturizer can leave your skin either too dry or overly oily. The good news? You can control your skin's oil and water balance with the right skincare routine and products. Let me walk you through it. Step 1. Choosing the right moisturizer. A very common mistake oily skin people make is choosing a wrong moisturizer or not using one at all. Just because you have oily skin does not mean that you don't need a moisturizer. In fact, not using a moisturizer can make your skin dehydrated. So your skin will be oily on the outside but dry and tight in the inside. On the other hand, using too heavy a moisturizer, which is not made for oily skin, may lead to clogged pores and breakouts. So my moisturizer recommendations for oily skin: number 1, XSY Dark Spot Correcting Glow Cream. Not only it has a unique gel-to-water consistency, which is lightweight and non-greasy, perfect for oily and acne-prone skin, but also it contains niacinamide, which balances sebum production, reduces redness and inflammation, strengthens your skin barrier. So this is a perfect moisturizer to hydrate your skin without clogging pores. It contains multiple brightening and antioxidant ingredients that will make your skin glowy and radiant. Some other great options for oily skin are: Step 2. Hydrate before moisturizing. Hydration is extremely important for all skin types. So using a proper hydrating serum and locking in the hydration with the moisturizer can really make a difference. My favorite hydrating products are: number 1, Cosrx Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence. It's lightweight and fast absorbing, packed with hydrating, rejuvenating ingredients to plump and refresh your skin. And here are some other recommendations for you. Step 3. Targeted treatments for acne. Struggling with stubborn pimples or frequent breakouts? Add a targeted treatment like Baha 2% salicylic acid serum. Salicylic acid is an FDA-approved ingredient for targeting acne and blemishes. It reduces redness and swelling overnight, helps heal active breakouts while preventing new ones. It also helps to reduce oil production, making it a must-have for oily skin people. And here are some other favorite acne treatments. Now, how to use these acne treatments? Use the active treatment at night, after cleansing and before moisturizing. Just use a pea-size amount. Start once a week at first and then gradually increase the usage up to 4 to 5 nights a week. Step 4. Sun protection. Taking proper sun protection is the most important factor tackling any skin issues. If you need sunscreen recommendations, then do check out my channel because I have reviewed most hyped Korean sunscreens. But don't just rely on sunscreen when you go outside. It's important that you protect yourself with hats, sunglasses, scarves, or umbrellas in case of prolonged sun exposure. Step number 5. Don't forget the basics. Skincare is more than just products. It's a lifestyle. So stay hydrated, drink plenty of water to support your skin from within, avoid harsh products or DIY methods that can damage your skin barrier. Be consistent. Skincare is a marathon, not a sprint, and stick to your routine for lasting results. Your skin needs time to adjust to new products and routines, so be patient and give your products at least 4 to 8 weeks to show results. And there you have it, step-by-step Korean skincare routine for oily acne-prone skin. Remember, skincare is personal, so listen to your skin's needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such skincare and hair care tips. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Don't forget to love the skin you're in. This is Diba signing off today from Dibas Quest.